Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your game is current and eligible. Updates often add new characters. Once done, open the in-game store and confirm the frozen content is available or purchased, because that content gate unlocks Anna and Elsa. Next, finish the initial tutorial and any story beats that enable the shop and villager mechanics. These steps let you access recruitment systems. Once they are unlocked, you can proceed to invite or trigger Anna and Elsa through the Valley's character recruitment flow. Now you focus on the middle steps. Find the Frozen-related hotspots and talk to every NPC there. Once you start the character-specific questline, follow objectives exactly, collect items, craft gifts, or deliver materials, because those actions progress Anna and Elsa's recruitment stages. Make sure to check your quest log frequently and complete prerequisites like friendship tasks or story beats that gate the next step. If a quest requires a specific item, prioritize crafting or buying it. Finish the final recruitment quest and accept the invitation option when it appears. This officially adds Anna or Elsa to your valley. Once they arrive, place their dwelling, give them a starter gift, and talk daily to speed up friendship and unlock routines. If the characters don't appear after finishing quests, try a simple restart, verify the frozen content shows as owned in the store, and ensure you've cleared any blocker quests. If problems persist, reach out to support with your save details for troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.